Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I commence this evening discussion by welcoming our speaker for the evening, Deputy Inspector General of Police, Mr. Shantanu Singh. Welcome also to each one of you present for joining on this Sunday afternoon, evening, for yet another interactive session. Well, on behalf of all of us present, may I request Tusharika to kindly present a token of appreciation to our speaker and guest. Well, to update everyone in this room, Mr. Jagdeep Singh, Jack and I have been regularly hosting book launches and discussions on a monthly basis for many years now. Recently we had Major General Ranjan Mahajan. Last year we had Mr. Dullat, former Chief of Law, then Tilak Deveshwar, Special Secretary, Cabinet Secretariat, the late Mr. Maruf Naza, Defense Analyst, and so forth. Now, it is not always these hard topics relating to present-day reality and defense and so forth. We have had poets, writers, and thinkers. During the Literature Festival earlier this year, we had Dr. Karan Singh, who was a scholar of an authority on Indian philosophy. In fact, last month we had Kiara Wala, a 14-year-old poet who really mesmerized all of us here. She is a highly mature and immensely evolved person for a 14-year-old personality. And last year we celebrated the 250th birth anniversary of the classic English writer Jane Austen, which was also very well attended program. So we try and cover a wide variety of subjects. Anyway, coming back to the subject at hand, today Shantanu will talk to us about cybercrime, trends and prevention. This is a matter of critical concern to each one of us. We are aware that owing to the rapid expansion of digital payments and online services, social media platforms, criminals have found ways to exploit the vulnerable. They are on the lookout for any weakness and loopholes in the digital payment system platforms, and they are going around exploiting it. Our dependence on IT and online banking services has made us sitting ducks, to use shooting terminology, for these criminals. Online fraud, fake websites, mobile apps are used to steal sensitive information, like our banking details and passwords and so forth. We are often told that the systems are down and portals have crashed and so forth. Now, that is also another type of ransomware attack which has taken place. So, there are many activities of this nature which will be addressed. We've had speakers on artificial intelligence and information technology like Professor Bhapna from USA, who is currently on artificial intelligence. He was here earlier last year. Then Dr. Ajay Gata, he is also talked to us. We've had Anurag Minus Verma again. So these are all people who are related to the IT and AI sector. As announced, Shri Shantanu Kumar Singh is an IPS officer, presently Deputy Inspector General of Police Cybercrime in Rajasthan. He belonged to Jhalawar and is the son of Shri B.S. Chandrawat, who retired as a judge in Rajasthan. Shantanu completed his postgraduate studies in human rights and joined the Rajasthan Police Service in 1997. His first posting was Deputy SP in Tok, followed by Kota and Bundi. He has served in the United Nations mission in Kosovo for 2 terms and was awarded the UN Peace Medal in 2001. And then once again in 2008, he got the UN Peace Medal. He was promoted to the Indian Police Service in 2012 and thereafter served as SP in Bhiwadi, Dudu, and also Jaipur Rural. In fact, at that time, during that time, I met you at the news place where we discussed about such a program. That was long ago. Shantanu was awarded the Indian Police Medal in 2019. This year he was awarded the prestigious President's Police Medal as well as the Chief Minister's Medal. So 2 medals in this year itself. His interest in history and culture is reflected in the fact that he is a life member of INTAC. Jags and I had met him recently, and I commented that if anyone was listening to our conversation, they would be convinced that we are talking to a very learned professor of history. His knowledge of Rajasthan history is really praiseworthy. He can share many lesser known facts on the subject with us, and surely, perhaps on some other occasion, we will do that. I was confident that after Shantanuji's talk today, we will leave this hall better equipped to face the online challenges. Before we proceed with this evening, I take the opportunity to bring on record our thanks to His Highness Jaipur, the Chief Patron and Life President of the Ashok Club, to Rajmata Sahiba for kindly permitting the Literary Affairs Committee of this club to regularly host these talks and discussions in the club main dining hall. We are immensely grateful to the Prabha Khaitan Foundation, which is sponsoring this evening. The Prabha Khaitan Foundation not only encourages writers but also those who promote the interest of reading, writing and knowledge exchange. I also thank Code Silver, a leading home decor and jewelry brand from the House of Dullaji, for very graciously supporting our efforts with the gifting part. Now I request Shantanu to please commence his presentation on cybercrime. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you, Jax. And respected ladies and gentlemen, I see result from bureaucracy and from police among the audience, and I'm highly excited to be here today. As you know, that cybercrime is an evolving subject, and nobody in the society, nobody even in this room, I think will be left behind when you see that somebody in the family, somebody in the circle, and someone in the family should have been either attacked or get the victim of a cybercrime. So when I joined from Jaipur Rural to cybercrime, I was just a novice, and then I found that it's not a rocket science. It's very simple, very easy, and 2-3 facts and common sense. That is all required to fight the cybercrime. The punchline is that with the evolving technology and even the origin of AI, artificial intelligence in each and every part of life, now you just cannot avoid it. People say, I meet a lot of people who say that हम तो SBI का यूज नहीं करते हैं और हम इंटरनेट बैंकिंग नहीं करते हैं और हम टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल ही नहीं करते हैं, तो हमारे पैसे सेव होते हैं। तो मेरे को हमेशा लगता है कि then you are losing, you are lagging behind each and every moment। दुनिया बहुत आगे जाती जा रही है। लास्ट 3-4 मंथ्स के अंदर जो पेस पकड़ा है आफ्टर द horizon this evolving of AI in each sector, अगर हम उसको सीखेंगे नहीं, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, तो हम बहुत पीछे रह जाएंगे और थोड़े दिनों में डायनासोर बन जाएंगे हम लोग। तो when everything is connected, everybody has to be alert, otherwise everybody is vulnerable। यही इसकी पंचलाइन है और मैं यहीं से शुरुआत करता हूँ कि साइबर क्राइम was always there in British times, in medieval history there were ठगी। You must have read about Colonel William Sliman, जिन्होंने ठगी का उन्मूलन किया था। मैंने उनकी कई किताबें पढ़ी हैं, जो विलियम स्लीमन की जो मेथोडोलॉजी थी, उन्होंने कैसे एक्शंस लिए, किस तरह से उन्होंने लंबे इन्वेस्टिगेशन कैंप्स लगाए और उसके बाद उन्होंने ठगी को खत्म किया। तो ऑलमोस्ट सेम तरीका है किसी भी व्यक्ति का ट्रस्ट को जीतना, ट्रस्ट को जीतने के बाद उसको जहाँ वो ले जाना चाहता है, जहाँ वो इन्वेस्ट कराना चाहता है वहाँ पर उसका कराना और वहाँ पर जाकर उसको चीट करना, यही ठगी का मेथोडोलॉजी था, यही उनकी एमओ थी। और जो वर्तमान साइबर क्रिमिनल्स हैं उनके लिए वो है तरीका बदल गया है। अब वो मोबाइल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बैंक अकाउंट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और यूपीआई और एआई का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो लेट्स गेट बिगिनिंग। As you know that it is hardly different from normal crime. It is just because the device, the mobile device or the computer or the internet is being used to commit the crime, it becomes a cyber crime. Otherwise, all the elements are same. So to commit a cyber crime, you should have 3 things. One is the mobile SIM, जिससे वो आपको कॉल करेगा। दूसरा है बैंक अकाउंट, जिसमें वो आपका पैसा को ट्रांसफर करेगा। और तीसरा है आप में एक इनहेरेंट ग्रीड या इग्नोरेंस या इनसिक्योरिटी, जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे साउथ ईस्ट एशियन जो हमारा थोड़ा सा माइंडसेट है, उसके अंदर हमारी डिफॉल्ट पोजीशन इनसिक्योरिटी की होती है। रात को कोई फोन आएगा तो हम हमेशा सोचेंगे कि शायद कोई बुरी खबर है, हम ये नहीं समझते कि कोई अच्छी खबर भी हो सकती है। अचानक ही कोई कॉल आएगा, मैं पुलिस थाने से बोल रहा हूँ, कितना ही बड़ा अधिकारी रहा हो, कितना ही बड़ा बिजनेसमैन रहा हो, वो हमेशा सोचेगा कि कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है। तो वो इग्नोरेंस, इनसिक्योरिटी और ग्रीड जो हमारी है, कि मैं आपको 100 रुपये आप लगाइए, आपको ये आप लोग मिल जाएंगे महीने में, उसके कारण ये 3 चीजें बहुत जरूरी हैं। These are the essentials of the cyber crime. So you have to get about these things. This is the anatomy of the cyber fraud. वो आपको सबसे पहले आपका ट्रस्ट लेगा, एक्सप्लॉइटेशन आपका ट्रस्ट जीतेगा। और अगेन हमारी जो फॉल्टिंग्स है सोशल फैब्रिक के अंदर, कि वी टेंड टू ट्रस्ट मोर ऑन आउटसाइडर्स देन इनसाइडर्स इन द फैमिली। हम आपस में हमारा कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट ग्रेट। We don't trust our own kids and our kids don't trust their own parents, क्योंकि हम आपस में एक दूसरे से शेयरिंग नहीं करते, उससे कोई प्ले करते हैं। कोई अगर समझदारी से लेडी इंग्लिश में बात कर रही है तो ये मान लिया जाएगा कि वो बहुत सही आपको सलाह दे रही है। एंड व्हेन यू जॉइन दैट पर्टिकुलर इन्वेस्टमेंट ग्रुप ऑन टेलीग्राम, इंस्टाग्राम और व्हाट्सएप, देन सडनली यू विल फाइंड द ओल्ड मेथोडोलॉजी। पुराने जमाने में क्या होता था, एक कारवां चलता था ट्रेडर्स का, बिकॉज़ इनसिक्योरिटी थी, बहुत मारामारी होती थी सेंट्रल इंडिया में खासकर। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 1715 आफ्टरवर्ड्स, पेट्रोल पानी करके। तो एक सुनसान इलाके में एक अकेला आदमी मिलता था, वो व्यापारी से कहता था सर मुझे भी ले लो, अकेला हूँ, मैं सोल्जर रहा हूँ पहले। व्यापारी को लगता था कि अकेला क्या कर लेगा। 5 किलोमीटर बाद उसको दूसरा मिलता था, फिर 5 किलोमीटर बाद तीसरा मिलता था, उन तीनों को ले लेता था। वो ये मानता था कि तीनों आइसोलेटेड है, अलग अलग है, जबकि वो एक ही गैंग के मेंबर होते थे। और वो जब रात को रुकने की बात आती थी तो उसको उस सराय के बारे में बताते जहाँ उसकी कहीं पहले ठहरी होती थी। दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस। वो ट्रस्ट गेन करेंगे, देन दे विल पुश यू टू जॉइन ए इन्वेस्टमेंट ग्रुप, एंड व्हेन यू जॉइन द इन्वेस्टमेंट ग्रुप ऑन व्हाट्सएप, इट्स ऑल हैपनिंग ऑन व्हाट्सएप। Immediately when you join it, the message will be that the admin has added this new number. Immediately there will be 4-5 messages flashed in the group. Sir, thank you very much. आपने मुझे 1 लाख रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट करा था, मेरे को 10 लाख का फायदा हो गया। Then suddenly दूसरा आ जाएगा, तीसरा आ जाएगा। तो they are basically facilitators. They are agent provocators of the same group, and everybody is happening. Everything is happening. It's just like टेम्पल में बुजुर्ग महिला जाती हैं, उनको एक आदमी बोलता है बाबा जी अंदर बैठे हैं, उन्होंने मेरी सोना को डबल कर दिया। वो लेडी जो है वो अपना सोना खट से निकाल के बाबा जी को देती है, फिर दूसरा मिल जाता है कि उन्होंने डबल वाकई में किया है। It's just like gaining the trust of the victim. It is also called pig butchering. You fatten the pig and then you slaughter it afterwards. The most important thing is digital anonymity, because everything is happening on WhatsApp, and unfortunately till now, so there is a legislation from the government of India. Okay, the WhatsApp and other social media platforms will be acting on only the device in which the SIM is inserted. This particular order has been issued by MHA, Government of India, but still there are some lacunas, and that's why they are using. So I will show you a slide in which we had a number, and I spoke to SP Bellary in Karnataka. She immediately responded, sent the team to that particular location, and they found a villager with a keypad mobile phone who was using that particular mobile. The WhatsApp was being used by somebody else who was in Cambodia. So technology का पूरा misuse है, as you know this, and social engineering. Yes, this is a very important part. Social engineering is how is it relevant? Because especially we have found through the analysis that the senior citizens are more likely to be victim of cybercrime. So I am glad that we have a lot of senior citizens in this audience, or because of the pace of life, because of activity, because of jobs also. I don't even I am also saying I get 30 minutes in the morning and 20-30 minutes in the evening to be with my parents. Same time, same like in every family. The younger generation has no time for the senior citizens, and so they feel lonely and they feel isolated, and they tend to fall victim very easily. And since they don't know the mobile numbers and the numbers of the emergency services, they immediately do whatever they have been told and they become victims. So this is part of social engineering. So they try 100 numbers, even if 10 they are successful, they are richer. This is how the social engineering works. These are about the mobile use of SIM. So Indian law says that every individual can have 9 SIMs in his name. Now the law is being amended. It will be brought to 3. But that means that there are 4 telephone providers in India. That is Vodafone, Jio, BSNL and Airtel. So you can have 9 SIMs in Airtel, 9 SIMs in Jio. It means 36 SIMs per name. And that too in a very fishy manner because biometric just been introduced, KYC just being introduced now. Otherwise people are having 200 mobiles, 300 mobiles. Even the small shoppers, the point of sale were selling for 100 rupees premium, they were selling SIMs to 7 members. But now the law has been amended and it is being brought under control. The second most important thing is the mule account, the bank account. So when you have a SIM, they will call you, they will gain your trust and then they will ask you to invest money and send this money, deposit this money in a given account. That account will be in somebody else's name. That person whose account is this is getting 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 rupees on commission. But the money is being checked out from the ATM or through the check by somebody else. So it's a vicious cycle. I will show you the cycle also how the money gets lost. So these are called the mule accounts, the donkey accounts in which the original account holder is getting a commission. He is allowing the cyber criminals to use the bank account on thega or on commission, and cyber criminals are collecting these mule bank accounts in vast numbers. Earlier it was P2P, person to person. They used to call somebody, give some money and get his account number. Now it is being done by AI, and you will be amazed that 1,000 account numbers can be sold in few seconds, in few minutes using Chinese websites. So there are Chinese websites, there are Malaysian websites, there are Indonesian websites who are selling these bundles of mule accounts to cyber criminals in seconds, in minutes. This is how the AI is affected. So the point is this: when you are investing, you are trying to deposit your money in a given account by somebody, you can always check it whether this account is SEBI registered or not. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, has introduced a beautiful feature which is called Tell SEBI and SEBI Check. So you just open the portal, mention the account, and it will give you whether this account is genuine or not. I will show you that. This is how the third portion is greed, ignorance and insecurity. Greed is more important in most people. So they will promise you high returns. बहुत पैसा मिलेगा और बताते और नहीं है कि बाद में बताऊंगा जब मेरा 10 लाख रुपए करोड़ हो जाएगा. People invest in gold and they think that it will be a surprise कि मैं सबको बताऊंगा कि मैं 10 लाख रुपए लगाए थे 1 करोड़ कमा लिया. This is how they high return investment schemes, lottery and prize scams, fake job offers, stock market tips, massive discounts, dating matrimonial, gaming rewards, instant loan, and even SBI reward points. If you are using SBI cards and credit cards, you will find that there are a lot of scammers who are calling that your reward point will be converted into money and they will be deposited. You just deposit 10,000 extra rupees in a given amount. This is how they play with your greed. These are the cybercrime hotspots in India. You can see part of Rajasthan. This is near Bharatpur, Nuh, Mewat. And Savai Madhupur and this Dhampur and Kota. They are among the hotspots in Rajasthan. And internationally, these Southeast Asian countries of Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, these are basically countries in which either the martial law is there or the democracy is very loosely established. So these people have scam compounds there. And you must have heard about cyber slavery. It's a new term which was basically the Pada Likha educated youth of India was everywhere, from everywhere. They were lured into good employment opportunities. They were taken to Thailand, Myanmar, and the passports were taken away, and then they were made hostage. They were made hostage and transported into military trucks to border areas where they use scam compounds, where they are beaten by the organized gangsters. They are taught how to commit a cybercrime. And the target is given to them. That every day you have to earn 10 lakh rupees of money or 1 crore of money. And according to the linguistic expertise or linguistic communication skills, they are then given the countries also where to call somebody. Some people are calling America, some people are calling India, some people are calling Europe. So you must have heard that Americans are also affected by people from India cheating them through income tax and health returns. So this is how the international scheme goes on. So these are the trends in cybercrime. You will see in 2024, India lost about 22,000. Yes, 22,843 crores in 2024. 22,840 करोड़ इंडियन इकोनॉमी से गया है साइबर क्राइम के अंदर. Through some interventions, we could got it to 22,435 करोड़ in 425 in 2024. ये जो पैसा है ये होल्ड हो पाया because somebody called 1930 और ट्रांजैक्शन को रोक लिया गया. तो 22,840 में से सिर्फ 2,700 करोड़ के आसपास ही होल्ड हो पाया. वो भी बैंक पे है या वापस रिटर्न कर दिया. इन 2025 22,435 में से करीबन 4,000 होल्ड हो गया. So this is the quantum. And when the Indian economy is growing by leaps and bounds, अभी कल जो RBI ने अपने डाटा दिए हैं 7.7% of growth rate in 2025-26. So this affects so much that Prime Minister has to give 10 minutes. उनका जो मन की बातों का प्रोग्राम होता है जो संदीप बाबा which is very interesting. As a matter of knowledge, you must listen to that. उन्होंने 10 मिनट दिया था कि how digital arrest and cyber crime are affecting the economy. The most dangerous thing is that this money is going to Gulf countries and China or Pakistan. China and Pakistan especially, they are using this money to pay people who are either spying in India. We got a lot of people in official secret OS Act में सब रहे हैं DG OS Act के अंदर सर मुकदमा बनाते थे. So payment was done. Payment is being done by Indian victims to those spies. So they are using our money, paying to our spies and getting all the information. Same time, you will find a lot of op-eds in a lot of leading newspapers where they will cast doubts on Indian growth rate or Indian security scenario, or when the Prime Minister is visiting some other country or some other dignitaries coming to India. So they will try to create confusion and distrust and lack of faith in system by publishing op-eds in newspapers. And those people, you might not believe it, because I know it's difficult to convince people. But this money is coming from cyber fraud. So this money is routing from going to Gulf countries in China. It is coming back. The anti-national actors are being paid through this money itself. They are not paying their own money. They are paying our own money, routing it through Gulf and China or other countries, other entities, and paying our own anti-national actors. This is why this is dangerous. These are the exit codes. So once the money is lost, golden hour. So golden hour principle is very important in traffic cases, where somebody meets a traffic accident. If you take him or her to the hospital in 1 hour, chances of surviving are same. Good. So this is
गोल्डन आवर किसी भी साइबर क्राइम होने के बाद का पहला घंटा गोल्डन आवर है, जिसमें पीड़ित तुरंत उस साइबर क्राइम को रिपोर्ट करके अपने चोरी हुए पैसों के वापस मिलने की संभावना बढ़ा सकते हैं.
So once the money is lost, the amazing thing is that 36% is withdrawn through checks. As the graph is showing, ATM withdrawals count about 25%, and the payments are being paid. A lot of service payments are being made by cyber criminals based on this. So you will find that this money is lost within 40 to 50 minutes. अगर आपको 100 रुपया निकला है और 40-50 मिनट का टाइम निकल गया है, तो there are chances कि only 10 rupees will be saved. और after 50 मिनट तो वो भी नहीं मिलेगा. Because EI सिस्टम जो है वो रेगुलेट करता है, सबके पास मैसेज आता है कि तुम इस खाते से 10,000 रुपये निकालो, 10,000 रुपये में पिन की जरूरत नहीं होती, चेक विड्रॉल हो जाते हैं. तो in one case the check is withdrawn from Chittorgarh, same money is being withdrawn from the ATM in Bihar. Such how used by network is, and money goes to one account, second layer it goes to 5 accounts, and third layer it goes to 800 accounts within seconds because of the AI enabled architecture. So this is how the things are. That's why the golden hour is very important. You should be aware and alert to avoid it, but unfortunately fell trapped to this or victim to this, immediately call 1930. That will, what will do? It will stop the transaction of the money from one account to another account. This is a beautiful API system which is integrated, application programming interface, all the banks are there. So if the bank from which the money has been withdrawn to another bank, it will immediately signal that bank that stop this transaction, it is a suspicious transaction. So the system is so beautiful that within seconds the message passed and the lock is there. The hold becomes active. The layer becomes active. So if you are alert after that, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, there are good chances that you might be able to save 60-70% of the money. That's why the golden hour is important. These are the ATM withdrawal hotspots in Rajasthan. Just you can see now, earlier it was a rosy picture, only Bharatpur and Chhamanbhadur, but of late, each and every part of Rajasthan has become a hotspot. From these locations, people have withdrawn through ATM cyber fraud money because they are members of a cyber organized gang who is sending them messages that itna paisa aa chuka hai nikalo. It means that it has gone to rural areas of Pakistan. It means that our educated and unemployed youth has become a member of an organized crime. This is most interesting. So we had some, this is check withdrawal, this was the ATM withdrawal, and this is the check withdrawal. These are the branches from which the money was withdrawn after the cyber crime. So we had conducted an operation, and that this is okay. वो side में है. We had conducted operation Mule Hunter, and we brought down substantially. We registered almost 850 cases, 2,000 people were arrested, and it really brought a lot of impact. And for the time being, it is under. This is another beautiful portal of Government of India. This is called Pratibin. It means that these locations are the locations in which the suspect mobile number is located. If you are getting a mobile call, these are the locations of those suspect mobiles. So we call the SP with the precise location of the caller, and the police goes and arrests him immediately. This is a wonderful use of AI in Pratibin portal of Government of India. It also helped us in catching a lot of criminals. This is the Rajasthan Pratibin location. This is the golden hour again. So you can see that first 60 minutes are very important, and if you act after being cheated, you can still save some money out of this. Because the funds can be frozen and banks will stop the onward transfer immediately. Even if you don't have the contact with 193, if you call some police wala, immediately will call the bank and the stoppage on the transaction can be made. And that's why the friendship with police is always good. तो लोग कहते हैं कि पुलिस वाला डॉक्टर से दोस्ती नहीं करनी चाहिए। मैं कह रहा हूँ पुलिस वाले से दोस्ती नहीं फायदा होती है। But the most important weapon against cybercrime is awareness. जब तक हम लोगों को जागरूक नहीं बनाएंगे, तब तक हम each and everybody को तैयार नहीं करेंगे, जो ये कह रहे हैं कि हम यूज नहीं करते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी को, हम SBI का यूरो नहीं करते हैं, हम बैंक ऐप यूज नहीं करते हैं, वो उन कबूतर की तरह से हैं जो बिल्ली को देख करके आंख बंद के बैठा हुआ है कि ये मुझे छोड़ देगी अगर उसको नजर नहीं आ रहा। ये हकीकत है। बहुत रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है, मैंने पहले भी कहा, बहुत इजीली समझ में आ सकता है, बहुत इजीली कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है। These are the types of scam, digital scam, this investment scam, social media impersonation, girl abuse, which is again on rise, trolling and all these things, sextortion, money, blackmail, आपने सुना होगा, प्राण करते होंगे आप, cyber slavery, as I told you, malicious ATK file, शादी के कार्ड के साथ लोकेशन आती है, it's an unknown number, you click that location to find the location in Google, and unknowingly you have installed APK, which is application program to get into your mobile, which is more important if you are using Android phone. Because Android का जो OS system है, it allows, because once you activate the mobile, you have said yes, 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 a lot of applications without realizing that how it will harm you. Apple phone has a beauty that you have to have a double click to install any application. So the OS system doesn't allow the background applications to upload. That's why they say that Apple is relatively safer, Android is not. But Android is better, it has amazing features, but has to be used cautiously. So APK file, fake SMS bombarding, भजन आपका जैसे वाला escort सर्विस के या स्पा के ये सब fake SMS and manual आपको मैंने बताया कि next. This is digital arrest. One of the most published, most notified is the digital arrest. होता यह है कि through the bank data theft, बैंक का डाटा सारा का सारा डार्क वेब आपको पता है कि ओपन वेब और डार्क वेब, जैसे चोर बाजार में चोरी के सामान मिलते हैं, इसी तरह से सारा डार्क वेब में सामान मतलब बैंक का डाटा अवेलेबल है ऑन परचेज. साइबर क्रिमिनल्स का जो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड गैंग है, they purchase this data and they find out that people who have high FDs and who are senior citizens, high FDs हैं, senior citizens हैं, and who उनके potential target बनते हैं, they get their details, mobile number is always registered with the bank account, and then they become victims of digital arrest calls. And again, how AI helps them? AI helps them to create social profile of that person within minutes, within seconds. I've seen it. That Shantanu Kumar Singh is a senior citizen. He has got 1 crore का FD है. These are his weak points. These are strong points. 2 sons, 1 daughter, all married, living all alone because of social media activity. Everybody knows it now. We are interconnected. We are giving information. We are posting photographs. Everybody can be collated in seconds through AI. हुसैन जो है वो आपका एक पेज का प्रोफाइल मैंने खुद का देखा है साइबर क्रिमिनल्स के पास. शांतनु कुमार सिंह विक्टिम, रोटेशन विक्टिम, ये रिकॉर्ड्स हैं. इन केस कॉल करोगे तो बहुत जल्दी पकड़ डाउन हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज हाउ दे आर कैप्टिंग ऑन दिस. सो दे नो दैट टारगेट, देन दे कॉल एंड देन दे कॉल यूजिंग ATS नेम, यूजिंग पुलिस नेम, यूजिंग CBI नेम. अभी लास्ट 8th of November को दिल्ली में बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ. विदिन मिनट्स पीपल स्टार्टेड गेटिंग कॉल्स कि मैं दिल्ली ATS से बोल रहा हूँ, आपका मोबाइल नंबर दिल्ली ब्लास्ट में इन्वॉल्व पाया गया है, आपके पास इतनी FD है, ये सब टेररिज्म का मनी है, इमीडिएटली इसको ट्रांसफर कीजिए सरकारी के खाते में, हम वेरीफाई करेंगे फिर आपको अरेस्ट कर देंगे. लोगों ने डर करके इतनी देर में हम लोग एडवाइजरी निकालते हैं अपने, उससे पहले 10 विक्टिम्स तो जयपुर में थे और अगले दिन अखबार में एडवाइजरी निकली. एक LIC के रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर ने उसको पढ़ा और 1 घंटे बाद उनके पास कॉल आया. उन्होंने कहा ये एडवाइजरी तो आई है और वो उससे डर गए कि उन्होंने 22 लाख रुपए इमीडिएटली ट्रांसफर किए. फिर करते ही उन्होंने इमीडिएटली फोन किया, लकीली ही कुड कनेक्ट टू मी, वी कुड स्टॉप 21 lakhs. तो एट द बैक ऑफ द माइंड ही वाज थिंकिंग दैट एडवाइजरी छपी है अखबार के अंदर, लेकिन स्टिल बिकॉज़ द टेरर ऑफ पुलिस एंड ATS एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स ही फेल विक्टिम टू दैट. दिस इज हाउ दे वर्क. सो दे वर्क ऑन प्रेजेंट सिनेरियोस, प्रेजेंट कंटेक्स्ट. अभी 4 धाम की यात्रा चल रही है, दे आर यूजिंग दैट. अभी जनगणना चल रही है, they are using it. We have published advisory. If you are reading newspapers, every day there are advisories from cybercrime now, and few of them are here for distribution around you. You can always take a copy of that. So everything which is relevant in newspapers and TV will be used by cybercrimes to cheat people. That how smart and intelligent they are. And we are saying that हम TV नहीं देखते हैं. I meet lot of people कि मेरे घर में तो TV नहीं है. और मेरे घर में तो मैं देखता ही नहीं, बच्चा को भी देखने लगा. That way we cannot survive. It's not possible. Without electricity, how can you live? Without power, how can you live? When you are using AC, you are using a new car. Why not use the new technology? Just learn it. Very simple. So the thing is, you have to, when you get a call, you have to stay calm, stay alert, verify independently. कोई पुलिस वाला आपको कॉल नहीं करता, कोई पुलिस वाला आपको अरेस्ट नहीं करेगा, और वो भेजते हैं आपसे CBI के बिल्कुल फेक डॉक्यूमेंट्स, आपके खिलाफ अरेस्ट वारंट है सब. नाउ अभय पोर्टल एक नया पोर्टल है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ नेक्स्ट. दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल केस स्टडी. आई गॉट ए कॉल के साथ मैं डिजिटल अरेस्ट हो गया. मेरे पास तो नंबर था, मैंने मैडम को हाथों हाथ ही नहीं वो कहा है ये दिया था, ये मैंने उनको मैसेज दिया, मैं दिस सस्पेक्ट इज यूजिंग मोबाइल नंबर इज टाइम डिजिटल अरेस्ट फॉर फर्दर एक्शन, और मैंने लोकेशन भेजी उसकी. SP का मैसेज मेरे पास आया, जो SHO से पाया था कि नमस्ते मैडम, सिक्योर द डिजिटल अरेस्ट केस पर्सन he is innocent, madam. Someone has hacked his mobile, blackmailing using eSIM. फोटो का ये बेलारी में एक किसान था जिसके पास कीपैड मोबाइल था, नहीं छोड़ो। बेलारी में एक किसान था जिसके पास एक कीपैड मोबाइल था, उसका मोबाइल लिखा हुआ है और person was using it with his company and he was using WhatsApp and calling people and making digital arrests. This is how the things are. Another scam is this KYC scam. You must have been getting lot of SMSs कि आपका KYC अपडेट करा लीजिए, आपका ये करा लीजिए. So they try to draw you towards their goal. वो अपने रास्ते आपको ले जाएंगे धीरे-धीरे and then एक नंबर आपको देंगे, you will make a call and call forwarding on कर देंगे and they will start getting all the OTPs. So KYC वगैरह या तो बैंक ब्रांच में जाके कराएं या बैंक के ऐप पे जाके कराएं. KYC is a very regular process which banks are doing for your customer. Even mobiles are doing it. Everybody is doing it. Aadhaar will also do it. So it has to be done very carefully. Do you think banks and institutions never ask for KYC via calls, SMS, email? Never share your OTP पिन वगैरह इस तरह से. और जितना भी है आपके आईडीज एंड वेबसाइट जो है उसे चेक करें. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और बहुत इजी है. यू कैन इजीली अवॉइड इट दिस pitfall. This is the most 60-70% of the money is going through investment scam. अगर राजस्थान lost 795 crores in 2024. 795 crore we lost. We lost 768 through interventions. It was brought down to 30 by 30. We lost 768 crores in 2025. Again, we are on the right path. We may save maybe 100 crores more this year. But 60% of the money is going through investment scam. The most important part is that it's a huge chunk of money. People have large money. They try to invest it. 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore. The most important thing is this, which is very sad. They get to know that they have been cheated only after 2 months. They keep on depositing it. They see their wallet fattening. उनका जो wallet है WhatsApp पे या Insta पे, उसमें कल 2 लाख रुपए ने इंटरेस्ट जोड़ने की 5 लाख दिख जाएगा, फिर 10 लाख दिख जाएगा और इन्वेस्ट करेंगे आप. Because the Trump tariff is there and lot of things are happening, shares are coming down. He will guide you. ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है परचेज करने का. सर परचेज कीजिए, सर परचेज कीजिए. You keep on investing without asking your family. And once you realize, then you will find that okay, मेरे को 50 लाख रुपए वापस चाहिए, यार मेरे 1 करोड़ का खाता है, मुझे 50 लाख वापस चाहिए. Then those people realize that now you are going, so they want to exploit you more. ये सब ट्रम्प टैरिफ है, ये सारा प्रोसेस अमेरिका से होगा. 5 लाख रुपए ट्रम्प टैरिफ फीस लगेगी, अब 5 लाख रुपए और डाल दीजिए. Once you deposit those 5 lakh rupees, then one fine day your wallet vanishes from Insta, from whatever social media platform is. So during that time 2 months are gone. Your whole money is lost. We are talking about 50 minutes of the golden hour. आप तो इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टेज में मेरे पास 2 महीने बाद आ रहे हैं. अभी 32 करोड़ रुपए जमा करके एक आदमी मेरे पास आया. 6 months, after 6 months. अब क्या बचा है उसके अंदर? Apart from 8,000 different accounts located in south, in northeast, उनको पकड़ने के अलावा कुछ नहीं बचा. All money is gone. So this is the worst part of investment scam, that you realize after 2 months, 1 month, 3 months that you have been cheated, and the money is gone through crypto, and not many people understand crypto. This is a beautiful tool, as I told you, SEBI check. 2 months back it was introduced. So if you are still investing and you are sending money, kindly check the account number, verify it on SBI check. You can on your smartphones, you can easily check it. You have this portal on this, and you can do it. It's very easy. It is just like this. These are the steps given, and this is how it looks. So again, talking about crypto, I can keep on talking and nobody will understand. The crypto is just like it's like a token in a villa. जब हम किसी बाबा जी के आश्रम में जाते हैं तो we deposit 100 रुपए. They give us some coupons. That coupon is currency within that limit. It happens in everywhere. बचपन में स्कूल में होता था, अपना फेयर होता था. हम 10 रुपए जमा करते थे, 10 कूपन मिलते थे एक लाख में. हमें चाट पकौड़ी खानी है, 1 कूपन यहाँ दिया, 1 कूपन यहाँ दिया. So crypto is a currency. This is the only currency which is valid on dark web. The only currency which is dark web के बारे में सुना. दिस जो मार्केट में यही पैसा चलता है जिसको हम बिटकॉइन क्रिप्टो तो इसके अंदर ज़्यादा अपना डिटेल में नहीं जाएगा, अदरवाइज बात सिर्फ ये है कि once you lose your money, the money is withdrawn through checks and ATMs. Those people break the chain of investigation. They deposit that money in a different ATM. Every ATM was a ATM deposit machine also. तो वो वहाँ से पैसा निकालेंगे, दूसरे मशीन में जाएंगे, डिपॉजिट कर देंगे in new mutual account, and that mutual account will send money through crypto to Gulf countries. So the chain is broken. मेरे खाते से दूसरे खाते में गया, तीसरे खाते में गया, वहाँ से पैसा निकल गया, फिर एक मेरे खाते में डिपॉजिट हुआ, वहाँ से पैसा क्रिप्टो में चेंज हुआ, USDT के अंदर, वहाँ से कट करा गया। पुलिस वाला सिर्फ यहाँ तक पहुँचेगा, ये तो चेन में ढीली लगेगी। This is where the crypto goes business. So for investors and for common people, important thing is that your money is gone, so crypto is gone outside. You just forget about it. Good understanding is required. As I told you, you just cannot remain unaware of things happening around. It's better to read something, how crypto works, how Bitcoin works, what is the blockchain, which is not a very difficult thing. हर स्टेट जो था वो खाता वही रखता था दुकान में, बचपन से देखते हैं अपने गांव में भी, शहरों में भी, वो खाता वही ही ब्लॉकचेन है। This is the blockchain. वही खाता वही है। Why people are investing? This is very important. The long-term investment, portfolio diversification होता है, global होता है। आपको लगता है कि आप ट्रम्प टावर के अंदर you become a partner. Trump Tower, which is being built in New York, and you are a partner because you have invested one Bitcoin or maybe half Bitcoin, and you feel that you are a part of Trump family. And that's how we feel related. that is how we feel. This is very important. They are hardly and they are persuaded. वो हमें persuade करते हैं, वो हमें पूरा blind कर देते हैं, और हम पूरी तरह से उनकी तरफ हो जाते हैं, पूरे चमत्कार विस्फोट हो जाते हैं, mesmerized हो जाते हैं, and we lose our common sense. Initial contact, trust building, especially in these things, they will talk very slowly. जो senior citizens हैं, they will tend to believe them. They will become friendly. मिलेंगे कभी भी नहीं, they will always call on WhatsApp or Insta or something like that. It will always be virtual calls. But you think that you have Shantanu who is calling you from some investment company and he is a very genuine and very concerned guy and he wants to help me with my money and growth of money. And my sons and my kids are my enemy. They always want to take away my money. Look how the things are. How Shantanu is so good, who has never made me do anything. And my kids they are torturing me every day for money. This is how the things work in mind. So this is big butchering, USDT, fake investment platforms. This is also among the younger generation. This is also very frequently reported. And this is recovery scams. This is again a part of crypto. Just go through it. Just stop. Again, stop, think, verify, and then invest. So, if you verify through SEBI check, you will always have your safe money. These cyber bullying is okay. These are the advertisements. Be fake again because of the advent of AI. Recently, you must have read in the newspaper one mining company got a call. The cashier thought that the manager is calling. It was basically deep fake call and he made him transfer 5.5 crores in 2 hours. He lost 5.5 crores. So it was deep fake basically. So how can it fake video calls, voice cloning, fake news, blackmail extortion, identity frauds, like this. Social media impersonation. You don't know whom you are contacting in social media. They are saying that he is an IPS officer or an IAS officer or businessman. He might be a cleaner or maybe a motorcycle mechanic in Ramganj. This is very important for you. That's why I put it. आप एक में से आपके WhatsApp हैक हो गया होगा और WhatsApp हैक होने के बाद आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में मैसेज आने लग जाते हैं कि आई एम इन नीड, अभी हमारे क्रेडिट प्रोफेसर चंद्र के नाम से चल गया था। दिस इज हाउ यू कैन अवॉइड इट। वंस होता यह है कि आपने एपीके फाइल को डाउनलोड कर लिया होता है। वंस द एपीके फाइल इज डाउनलोडेड ऑन मोबाइल, द होल सिस्टम is controlled by server network. So he get to know your contact list, keeps on sending those contacts. He hacks your WhatsApp account on his mobile, and your mobile becomes a zombie. So these are the steps you can take. You can take it further. Otherwise, I have published. Within 24 hours, you can find your WhatsApp back on your mobile using this particular. मैं आपको WhatsApp ही कर दूँगा, you can share it. It's very easy. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to get panic. आपको घबराने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है। आपको सिर्फ ये रिपोर्ट करना है। The inbuilt feature of WhatsApp has this particular facility. If you know it, you can avoid it by two-factor authentication also. And inbuilt feature you can report that your WhatsApp has been hacked or compromised. Within 24 hours you will get it everything done. This is most interesting. Don't stall, don't trust, stay safe. So you, whatever link you are clicking, you should be careful. It's coming from a safe person, your contact, something like that. Then only click it. And go through the mobile safety features, and you will find that you have clicked approved lot of features which are not useful to you. So it's better without going blindly. You test each and every feature and then only click it. ये बहुत अभी शादी का सीजन वापस आने वाला है, तो जयपुर में बहुत इस तरह की लोकेशन के नाम पे ये अगेन दिस इज अ वंडरफुल थिंग। देयर इज ए रिमूवल ऐप, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट का सर्टिंग करके एक बहुत बड़ी एजेंसी है, उसने एक पूरा का पूरा व्हाट रिमूवल ऐप जो है, ये व्हाट रिमूवल ऐप जो है वो ऑनलाइन आपके पास है। अगर आप ऐप स्टोर पे जाएंगे यू विल फाइंड इट। यू कैन फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम you can sanitize your own mobile, just like हम अपना घर का टॉयलेट साफ करते हैं, you can clean your mobile like this. If you skin certain करके बहुत लोगों को लगेगा इसको डाउनलोड कर लो, skin certain, and these are the, they will show you, they will guide you how to use it once you install this particular. This is the government of India that skin certain बहुत लोगों को। These are the ransomware attacks. Recently, people who are running hospitals, hotels, their whole data is being attacked by cyber criminals sitting in North Korea, in China, in Thailand, Pakistan, and they are demanding ransom of 3,000 euros, $3,000, or maybe in Bitcoin. Unless if you pay, they cannot use it. मतलब एक तरह से ransomware हो गया। किडनैप कर लिया आपके बच्चे को, 2 लाख रुपए दो या 2 करोड़ रुपए दो, अदर मार दो। तो ransomware अटैक के लिए भी you can protect yourself through following. It's very easy. It's online also. So you don't have to ask Shantanu or police or not. You will find it. All the features are there on online. Everything. And still not it. On 1930, we have cyber commandos will come to your house, and we will do all the things on your device or your system at your place. So we have this system at place, we have vehicle, we have cyber commandos, and they are ready to help you at your location so that these ransomware attacks can be taken down. This is Abhay chatbot, which is again very good. This is, you will find it on online with everybody's smartphone. You can contact CBI immediately through Abhay chatbot. That you are getting these numbers or maybe all the sort of scams or maybe arrest warrants for these arrest warrants or notices from the court. तो आप आराम से चेक कर सकते हैं। वो आपको इमीडिएटली बता देगा कि whether this is a genuine or this is fake. Online caption doesn't suit this audience. Matrimonial scam again, it happens everywhere, so one has to be very careful. Online shopping fraud happens. Without trusting, without verifying, we place the order and then 25,000 रुपये जमा कराए थे, चेयर नहीं आया, साड़ी नहीं आई है, ये ज्वेलरी नहीं आई है. This is what the online shopping fraud is. Not difficult, we can crack it, we can arrest people also, but it creates lot of trouble to you also, and time takes time also. So that's better not to use the public networks, protect your information, verify the service. बाद में verify करने से पहले verify करें. These are again all the things which are promising good money immediately are all scams basically. अपने नानी साहब दादी साहब भी बोल रहे थे इतना सारा पैसा कैसे होगा झूठ बोल रहे थे वो ज़्यादा समझदार थे. These are lottery frauds, the online gaming. I found a lot of senior officers became victim of this. They lost maybe 5 crore. I know one person who lost 5 crore in gaming. Addiction was ज़्यादा है. Because addiction and you always believe that next time will be your time and then you will win and then you will clear all the debts. All the earlier losses will be just like you go to casino, you keep on losing and still keep on playing because that particular faith is there. So spam and phishing calls, QR code scan कर लेते हैं. You have to be very careful when you are scanning a QR code outside the shop. Because outside the shop, you will always find that people can use different scan codes, QR codes instead of the original one, and you lose the money. Especially during the railway journeys, airport, and all these things. Never pay by QR code scanner because they are publicly placed, and cyber criminals replace the original QR codes with their own QR codes. So once the money is gone, then आपके पास एक लाठी पेटने के लिए कुछ नहीं करना. This is scan smart and stay safe. This is how the AI has enabled cyber criminals to give them an industrialized speed. So earlier it used to take 1 month to collect 1,000 accounts. Now they are finding it in 5 minutes. आपने fraud का नाम तो सुना होगा. Fraud has created a cyber ransomware which is named as Mythos. Mythos आपका vulnerability test जो है वो कर लेता है जो originally computers को 2 मिनट लगते हैं. अब वो seconds में आपको बता देता है कि आपके data system के अंदर का breach है and attack कर देता है. This is how the things are possible. अब now the most important thing is that पहले criminals को कुछ मारना पड़ता था, चाकू चलाना पड़ता था, तब वो criminal बनते थे. With the advent of AI, उनको कुछ नहीं करना. Everybody has become user of AI and committing crime. गली मोहल्ले के जो छोटे-छोटे झुग्गी झोंपड़ी के जो लड़के हैं, पूरी साल में criminal बन गए और वो सारा AI से सीख करके AI को यूज करते हैं. That's why they have lowered the entry value of criminals. Deep fakes और ये सब बना रहे हैं. आप ये देखिए कि नूर मेवात का ऐसा इलाका जहाँ पर जाना पसंद नहीं करेंगे, तो आज के रहता हूँ वहाँ जाना पसंद नहीं करेंगे. वहाँ के ऐसे लोग जो हैं आर्बिट लोग, बड़े लोगों को उन्होंने हनी ट्रैप और ब्लैकमेल करके उन्होंने लाखों रुपए ले लिए, तो इन्होंने सुसाइड कर लिए. आपको वीडियो कॉल करेंगे, आपका सिर्फ फेस नजर आता है. Within a minute they will create a fake video and you will be in a highly compromised position and that video will be sent if you are not giving the money to your contacts. And everybody is very cautious about his own, protecting his own privacy and all this reputation and all. So they pay money, they keep on asking, they pay money, they keep on asking. And at one time it becomes unbearable and they commit suicide. Do you have time?
Good. Can have questions then.
Yeah, this is how, as I told you, this profiling is very important. Vulnerability identification कर रहे हैं, psychological segmentation कर रहे हैं. The tools are available on AI. People are using it for segmentation and identification. और सारा का सारा आपका ये देखिए कि पूरा का पूरा प्रोफाइल बना करके आपको कॉल कर रहा है. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये डीपफेक ऑडियो और वीडियो है. थ्रेट्स ये हैं, डिफेंसिव मेजर्स ये हैं. ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर आप पैसा खर्च करना नहीं चाहते हैं, हम अपने घर में सीसीटीवी नहीं लगाते तो फिर बाकी चीजें कहाँ करें. वरना चमड़ी चल जाए तो दौड़ी नहीं जानी चाहिए. That is the main problem. So structured they are developers, affiliates and victims. It's a very structured and organized crime. कोर ग्रुप होता है, डोमेन एक्सपर्ट होते हैं, फिर भी अल्टीमेटली भेजते हैं. This is how this money laundering goes. Victim defrauded, new account, and then it goes like this. Your money is in Hong Kong, whether you are not. you are there or not. You can be happy that you are in Hong Kong. These are the Chinese payment gateways. Not many people believe that China is behind all these things and anti-national actors are there. But this is the fact. Just like Cockroach Party, the police, yes, the Cockroach Party claimed that they have 2.5 crore subscribers. MHA found that almost 80% or 90% of the subscription are from Gulf countries, from Pakistan, from China, or from outside India. And that's why when they protested, only 1,000 people were there. So this game is going on. The narrative is the fake narrative. So there is a truth, there is alternative truth, your truth, my truth, his truth. So there are several factors of truth. And this is how the game is now. This is the flow of funds. This is a new number. RBI introduced a beautiful new number tool which identifies the new accounts. It's helping us a lot. These are the fanning means money deposit, money out. These pattern say identify everything. This is new account and then we have to take action against this. These are the websites. You will find that it is posted in the last one. These are posted in Pakistan, United States, Cambodia. These are websites floating on OpenBank, and people are using it to invest money. These are all our enemies basically. Cambodia. This is the order I told you. So finding. This is the Rajput Citizen, beautiful citizen app. Everybody will find it, and I will advise you to install it in your mobile. You can have police in your own fingers. Rajput Citizen app, very easy. And we have a special feature. Cyber Ghost app, सचेत is RBI something portal पे आप report कर सकते हैं. और ये सबसे important है ping feature. बहुत अच्छी है. This help me. This is for females. You have to just press this. Your location will be sent to the police control room, and you will get a call, and the police vehicle will be immediately going, and you can watch the vehicle on your mobile that vehicle is coming. It will come in 2 minutes. It's a wonderful feature. बहुत चाहिए. महिला सुरक्षा के लिए. And it's available on Rajput Citizen app. It just requires your mobile number, just install it. It's very easy. Within 2 minutes you can do it. Always have it. Police is with you. This is how the architecture is. Once you report it, this is how the system works. It's a long thing. This is more important. If all 1930 immediately, the whole system gets activated. When you call it, register it, money flow stops immediately. That is more important. So this is very important. Use strong passwords. Most important, enable two-factor authentication. Please do it. Your WhatsApp will be safe. Your mobile will be safe. Very important.
Confirm कर दो.
Yes. Okay. This is the last slide, sir. So you have to stop, think, and take action. Otherwise, company is always there with you.
Can I have reader slide?
Yeah. These are the helplines which are available. So every day I generally get 100 calls from my family, friends, or relatives or such. That this thing has happened. So then usually we do whatever we do. So, but still it's always available on your payment software. So my advice will be to stay at pace with the evolving technology, learn AI, and then live.
Any questions?
शांतनु जी, आपकी एक स्लाइड थी about check withdrawal scam.
Yes.
If I have not signed a check, then how am I?
It's not you are withdrawing. It's not you are withdrawing the checks. Your money which has been deposited in the account, that account checks are being withdrawn. It is not your check. You have transferred money through online. Either you already did it through investment scam, or you never knew it. Your account is being operated by somebody else. So you are a victim whose money has been transferred from one account to another account. That person who is holding that account is got a check because he is a part of the gang, and he is getting your money out of that. So once आपके घर से माल चोरी चला गया, इसके बाद जो माल जा रहा है उसका चेक करना माल है. आपके घर से तो चोरी होता है। So you either you are investing money or you are basically sending money to someone on the fake or confidence. आपके बैंक खाते से चेक नहीं कर रहा, उसके बैंक खाता जो क्रिमिनल के पास है उसमें से चेक कर रहा।
Very good question. Somebody come.
Yes, yes, please.
सर आजकल मेल्स के ऊपर बहुत सारे एड्स वगैरह आते हैं, उनको कैसे
किसका आदेश?
मेल अकाउंट पे बहुत सारे एड्स आते हैं।
उन एड्स पे बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं करना है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि स्कैमिंग भी होता है, तो वही मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं कि पहले वेरीफाई करें उनको। उनका जो एड्स का जो सर्विसेज दे रखी है, आप अपने मोबाइल से वेरीफाई कर ले, या उसको कॉल करके पूछा जा सकता है कि ऐसे कोई सर्विस वहाँ पे है या ऐसी दुकान है या नहीं है। होता ये है कि हमारा वॉशिंग मशीन खराब हो गई, फ्रिज खराब हो गया, हमारे पास कस्टमर केयर का नंबर नहीं है, हम ऑनलाइन ढूंढते हैं, कस्टमर केयर का नंबर जो हमें मिलता है उसको कॉल कर लेते हैं, वो जनरली फेक। तो हम अपनी एजेंसी से बात करें जिससे आपने खरीदा है उससे बात करें, और उसी के पास देखो भाई ऐसी अखबार में या मेल्स में आपके पास जो ऐड आ रहे हैं उन पे आप बिल्कुल भी ट्रस्ट नहीं करें, उनका बिल्कुल भी ट्रस्ट नहीं करें। उसी चीज को समझदार जो आपके अंदर से बात करें, खरीदारी में क्या आपको बात है। टू फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेशन आपका जो आपकी जितनी भी सर्विसेज है, व्हाट्सएप है या सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, वो आपके मोबाइल पे आपको पहले एक्टिवेट करने से पहले आपसे पूछती है सब आपकी प्राइवेसी है, सिक्योरिटी में आप चाहते हैं या नहीं चाहते। तो हमेशा आप यस करें। सो यस यू वांट टू फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेशन मींस दैट मेल एड्रेस यू विल आल्सो गेट ओटीपी एंड योर मोबाइल विल आल्सो गेट ओटीपी एंड दैट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दैट ओटीपी विल एक्टिवेट योर। सो अगर आपका मोबाइल चोरी भी चला गया है, your mail ID is still with you. That is how the two factor. मतलब होता है जैसे लॉकर की दो चाबियां होती हैं, एक आपके पास है, एक मैम के पास है। जब तक वो दोनों चाबियां नहीं लगेंगी लॉकर नहीं खुलेगा। अगर आपकी चाबी ढूंढी गई है तो मैम की चाबी तो आपके पास है। This is how it is. Yes, yes, everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. जी जी
क्रिमिनल्स के पास में केवाईसी के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट चले गए, अब क्या किया जाए? वो कभी भी उसको भुला सकता है।
नहीं, वो कभी ऐसा नहीं। आपका जो बैंक है, आप जाकर के वहाँ पे बताएं, आपको वो नया एक ऑथेंटिकेशन नहीं है, डाटा सेट तो वही रहेगा, आपका आधार नंबर तो वही रहेगा। आधार नंबर तो वैसे पब्लिक अवेलेबल है, आपका जो पैन नंबर है वो पब्लिक अवेलेबल है उसमें, और आपके देखिए आपको वो प्रोटेक्शन देगा, जो भी आपका बैंक है वो आपको प्रोटेक्शन देगा। आपको लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड नहीं मिलेंगे, आपकी एक्सेस आईडी पासवर्ड नहीं मिलेंगे, तो वो केवाईसी पे चलेगा तो चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं। वो आधार नंबर जो है, अब जो सिस्टम आ गया है लास्ट 3 मंथ, आधार नंबर का जब तक आपके मोबाइल से ओटीपी से कनेक्शन नहीं होगा, आपका आधार नंबर का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते। दिस कॉल्ड CKYC, सेंट्रलाइज्ड KYC सिस्टम, वो करा लेना चाहिए। माय एडवाइस विल बी टू गो फॉर सेंट्रल KYC सिस्टम, CKYC, वो सबको करा लेना चाहिए। दैट विल हेल्प यू। So I just hope that when you build this room, you have increased your awareness about cyber. That will be one positive thing I want to take. Thanks a lot.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I would like to know, having an iPhone, does it save you from a lot of frauds?
It needs to sit up, not perfectly safe, because the OS system never allows the background applications to upload automatically. You know, you must be clicking twice. If you want to install any application, you have to click twice physically. That is the one system which is really
What's that system?
the double click system.
Okay.
The physical thing. You have to approve the installation.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Since cybercrime is expanding so much, then the task for the police is getting more and more difficult, and they seem to be a step ahead of the law and order system. So what are you doing? I mean, generally, how are you able to control this?
So we have improved. We have increased the number of helplines in Rajasthan. Earlier it was only 10, now we are going from 60 within a month, 60, and cybercrime branch has been expanded. Every district has got a cybercrime police station, and we are going for. We also have cyber help desk in every police station also. So there are 1,060 police stations in Rajasthan, and every police station has got a cyber help desk. We have initiated, activated 4 extra numbers also. 1930 is from a friend. But if you have query, you want to talk to people, there are 4 extra mobile numbers which are 24/7 active. One of them is also with me, and it ends with 1930. The number is 1930. And people, you won't believe it, but we are getting about 10,000 calls in 24 hours. Every day, my life is like this day. Every day, 100 calls are from my known people, and maybe 400 to 500 calls from people who are unknown to me because they are the number and they call me, and we are always ready to receive that opportunity. And it is increasing. The awareness is increasing. People are getting to know, and the concern of the government of India and concern of government is immense. And you must be happy to know that we are among the top 5 countries in the world who are tackling cybercrime professionally. Our cybercrime prevention system and coordination system is among the best in the world. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for enlightening us with the data information. My question to you, sir, is as per the data, what do you feel that physical money was better? It was less, you had less crime when there was physical money, or there are more crimes when there is digital money?
So, I will reply in this way. When we had bicycle, there were very few accidents. Now we have EVs and very fast mobility. There are more accidents. So, in what ways you want to go? To bicycle or to EVs? It depends on you. So, UPI money, online money is the all of the time. You just cannot say no to them. You just cannot avoid that particular space. You have to be part of that smart bit of alertness, smart bit of smartness, and bit of awareness. And give a pause of 30 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 seconds before you send money. That will save you from problems. So you have to be with the times. You just cannot avoid AI. You just cannot avoid UPI. You just cannot avoid the modern technology. Be a part of it. Enjoy the life. Don't be a cadaver or Neolithic or maybe dinosaur. Nobody likes that.
So my question was slightly different. My question
Oh,
was
is that a-
that we are in that digital age, we can't avoid it. We are forced into the system, we like it or we don't like it.
So, repeat
The statistics, is it that you had more crime reporting when you had physical money and more tracing when you had physical money versus more crime reporting when you have digital money versus also more work for the police department, extra work for the police
I know.
department?
So, it is both ways. So, once people used to have paper money, और घर पे जब पैसा दूसरा होता था चोरी हो जाती थी. Now you have all the virtual money or only electronic money वाले भी कोई चोरी नहीं कर सकता आपसे unless you give it by one factor safer that way. लेकिन since you are using mobiles and everything and सबसे 5 रुपए भी या 10 रुपए भी हो जाते हैं तो it's very easy for police to get more reports out of very small amount of money also. At the same time, you are using it more frequently and all the outlets. आपको भी 3 बजे आ रहा है 4 बजे आ रहा है it's very easy to pay also. So the thing is that there are pluses for paper money also, and there are more pluses for the virtual money also. So with the passage of time, I think virtual money is going to stay, is going to prosper. This is better. We may have some obstacles. We are still learning. We are still evolving. And within 1 or 2 years, I think we will catch up.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Shambhali, thank you very much. What a fascinating talk. And you'll be surprised that today the invitees started coming. You know, we gave the time at 5 o'clock, they started coming 4:45, even 10 to 5, because this is such a interesting topic and it affects all of us. You know, the people are all the time reading about digital arrest and cyber frauds and online frauds, and so thank you very much for giving such a detailed presentation. Give him a big hand. I would like to again my vote of thanks to the royal family of Jaipur and the management of the Ashok Club for allowing us to use this hall every month for a book session, or if we have any interesting topics, like this time there was no book involved. So even if we have some interesting topics, we would like to have this, opportunity to have these talks. And why I appreciate the management of the show club that you are aware that this is the dining hall of the club. And look at the effort they make each month to turn the dining hall into an auditorium kind of a hall, and then reconvert that with everything. I would like to thank Mr. Sandeep Baturia and Prabha Ketan Foundation, PTF Sahयोग. Mr. Baturia has not only transformed the literary culture scene of Jaipur in the last 10-12 years. We have so many of his platforms operating in Jaipur, like the Right Circle, the Kalam, and when he heard we were doing these events, he immediately came forward that I would like to help out with these. I would also like to thank our gifting partner, the House of Dulaki, for presenting us from Port Silver the gifts. And my media, there are 4 or 5 channels who showed interest. Couple of crime reporters have also come today when they heard that there was a And last but not the least, I would like to thank all of you for coming on a Sunday evening, and each time we see the hall is packed. Thank you so much.